Assalamu alaikum. I'm Bushra Saleem, and today we are going to cover the topic of ICT 047117. It's about the spreadsheet and web authoring. Okay, this paper three is consists of the page spreadsheet, and we will we you have to do the two tasks. One is related to the spreadsheet, and second is the web authoring one. Okay, so we are going to solve a paper of Feb March 2025. The paper will be of 2 hours and 15 minutes. Okay. Uh, Okay, now let's start it. Acha, for this paper, you need to get this source file it. Okay, you will get a folder for it. It's a practical one. In paper in ICT, you have one theory paper that is P1 and P2 and P3 are the two practicals one. So we are going to perform the P3, that is the paper three. Acha, for this one, you need to file source file, and this is the source file. Then you need it. Okay, so these are the files that you needed for to perform this activity. Okay, now let's check the files. So you have been supplied with the following source file. Like you need calc this one, this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 files you need it to perform an activity. So just check this. These are the 7 items. Okay, you need it for it. Acha now. Uh, Now the next step, let's check it. We have the source file. So you will create a web page for Tawara construction. Okay, for the activity of the web authoring, what we are going to do, you will create a Tawara construction web page for to advertise their plastering department. Okay. Acha, the task one, evidence document. Acha, for this activity, for the paper one and paper two, you need to submit an evidence document as well, in which you have to insert the screenshot of your activity of the step where it is written. You need to take the screenshot. You will take the screenshot of that step and you have to insert it in the evidence document. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to create a word process document and you open the word document for it and make sure your name that one you need that to add it in the header in the footer. Acha, I will select the one blank one. Acha, now let's follow the section. We have to follow each and every instruction from there. Acha, make sure your name, center number, and candidate number will appear on every page of this document. Okay, so you have to write it over here like this. You will just add the footer header. I will insert it. You click on the upward, or you will click go over there, go on the insert, and you will add the header and the footer over there. From there, you will just add the header. Actually, it's not mentioned over here. You have to add the footer or the header, so you will put it over there. Acha, here you will write down your name. For example, I write my name here. Okay, and then your candidate number and the center number. Okay, candidate number is for example 1122. Okay, and the candidate number is PK308 for example. Okay, this one. So make sure it will appear on every page. So in the header is over there. So we will go to the next page. So it will appear it over here as well. Acha, now see, save this evidence document in the form of this one, M25 evidence, and this, and then that just followed by your center name and this one. Okay, so you have to follow like this. So I will save this document over here. Acha, you need to create a folder as well. So I will create a folder as well where I will keep all my files. Okay, here I will create a folder like it's a March 25 paper 3-1. Okay, so here I'm going to save it, this file, evidence document. Okay, you will write on your name and this one, candidate number over here. So it will be saved there. Okay. Acha, now move to the next step. This is our task making. You will need evidence document during the examination to place a screenshot where required. So let's make the folder. Okay, it's the first one. You make an evidence document, then you need to create a file. Okay, in which you will add the required file for each activity. Like for the web page, you need these files like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, except the Excel file, you need the other files. Okay, you will need to create a plaster over there, create a folder. So I will create it here. Okay, ठीक है. What you need to do it, just copy the files. ठीक है. And just go over there on the folder that we created. Like this was the folder. And here I'm going to create the folder of plaster. And I will paste this file. Okay. Now just check which files you needed and which we not it. Like just check it from there. We need the M25 cons, that is this one. Okay. Logo file. You need the logo one, the plaster one, and then the other plaster one, there's the MP4 video, and then M25 spec, that one, and the text. Acha, which you don't need it? Calc, M25 calc. Yes, this you don't need it now. Okay, so I just delete it from here and paste it here. Okay, because I need this one. So I need make sure you have the 6 file now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Acha. Now move to the next step. Display the content of your plaster folder showing the folder name, all the file names, file extension, file size, frame height, and image. This one. Take the screenshot of this folder, making sure that the required information is clearly visible. Okay. So you need to display the content and take a screenshot and you place the screenshot in even evidence document. Okay. And this is the step number 1. Okay. So how we will do it? Just open the folder, this one, and you want to display all these things, so you go you click on the view and click on the details. Okay, see, it is coming. No, it is not. Content. This is coming now. The frame height and the other things are all the things are that is written over here. Okay, so we click on that one, content detail. Content, display the content. So I click on the content. So I will need to take the printout now, screenshot now. So I will use the snipping tool to take the screenshot. Acha, I click on the new. Acha, make sure the folder name is also coming, that you create the folder as well, and these things, okay, as well. Okay, so I will just copy it and open the evidence document and write it here, step 1. Okay, this is step 1. So everyone, you have to write on the steps as well while you adding the screenshot. So this is a screenshot. So move to the next step now. Okay, so this is of mark number 1 mark. Acha, now the web page. You will create a web page for the Tawara construction website. So for this, you need to create in your plaster folder a web page called this thing. Okay, you need to get Achha, for this web authoring task, you need to create a web page. You need to have an application in which you will create that one, or that is called the Microsoft Expression. So you will get it from the internet as well. You can install it. Achha, I will write Microsoft Expression. This one, Microsoft Expression Web 4. This app you needed to create this, to perform this activity. Acha. So you will create a plaster folder web page called this one. Okay, you will save this file over there in the folder of the plaster that we needed. Okay, so this is an interface over there of this one. Okay. Acha, now how we will do it? This is your area. This is your design area. Just have a quick recap, and this is the code one. Whatever we write it over here at the back end, the coding will become it. It's the HTML code. Okay, we need the HTML code as well for the activity. Acha, this is a file menu. Okay, this is the icon tools over there. Acha, first we need to save it in the folder. So I will browse my folder. So our folder is there. I made the folder in the D drive. That is March. this one. Okay. Here in the folder, I will save it. And what will be the name? Make sure you keep the same file name. Like it's written M25 HTML. Okay. So you have to keep that name of your file. So I will give the name HTML. Okay. And save it in the folder. Achha, you have to follow the each and every step that is written over here. So it's coming over there. So the file name is M25 Plaster. HTML is the name of the file. Like it's an HTML file. HTML like hypertext markup language. It's a web file. Okay. HTML or HTML, both are correct. Extension of the file. Acha, now this web page must be created using a single table and work in own process. Okay, you need to create a web browser in which you create a single table in which that will be work in every browser. The table must be center line and 95% fit of the browser window. The table must have a structure as shown in this diagram. Okay, so let's see how we will do it. First we need to add the table. Acha, in the table, how many rows and columns you needed? We need, you see, we need one, two, three. There are the three rows that we needed, and the columns. Acha, we just check the maximum number of columns and the rows. Here it's one, two, three, four. So the maximum number of columns are four, and the rows are the three. So three rows and four columns. Okay. So how we will add the table? I click on the table tab and click on the insert table. Okay. Now the rows are three and the columns are four. Okay. Just checking again. If you skip that step, then your answer will be wrong. You will not find the exact answer. Right one. Achha. So the other section you must be followed as well. It must be center line and 95%. Okay. So you will just do it over here. The layout is will be the center line and 95% of the width. Yes, 95% of the browser width. We do 95%. So we write it here 95. Okay, and it's a percent as well. Okay, so this is all one. Click on the OK. So you will get that thing. Okay. Acha, now let's go to the move to the next step. Acha, now each cell is identified with a letter which must not appear on your final web page. Table and cell borders must appear on the final web page. Like you need to give the name to each cell. These are the cells, cell A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to give the name so that when we talk about the each cell, we want to add the thing so we will remember it. Okay. So let's do it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Just give the name. A, okay. Acha, first, acha, before doing this, we skip one thing. You have to just give the view, give it to this thing. Like we have to just merge and split the cell according to that thing. Okay. Like A is only one cell. Okay. To make sure it is one cell, but it has two, three, four, five, six. Just merge together all the cells. Okay. Let's merge it together like this. And how we'll do it? Right click on it, and we will go modify and then merge cells. So it's this one. Acha, now the next one. Acha, and the borders will must be appear as well. So you can just take the border as well. Acha, click on the cells, table, select the whole table like this. Okay, and this is the border as well. You can just take it from there, all borders. It come it over there, or you can just select it here and sell the table properties. Okay, and border size. Border size you can do it. Give the back color. Okay, give the color of the border. Okay, and apply it. And okay. Okay, good. Acha, now. Acha, this is a table one, the all one inside borders as well. Acha, now. We can put the inside borders as well. You can go to the cell properties. Okay, and borders, border color. Acha, now it's coming. Okay, it will appear on the file one. Acha, now we have to put the, acha, first merge it, all the cells. This is this one. Select the A cell, A, B, C, this one. First three cells. Acha, it's already run. Now move to the next row. The second one is about the each table, this one, B. There are two one. Okay, B and C in the second one. So you will merge first two, and this one. Okay, this is B, this is A, and this is C. Merge these two, and this is C, cell number C. Acha, now in the next line, there are the D, E, F, G. Okay, just put the number D, E, F, G. Okay, so we make a table like this here. Acha, now this was 7 marks, so we did it like this. Acha, now place in cell A the image called M25 logo dot JPEG. Okay, in cell A you need to add this logo file. Okay, so we go to the cell A. Okay, remove this and insert and click on the picture. Okay, and then from the file. Acha, now you will get the file. Open the folder. We just open the folder and we'll just check the file. Acha, wait a minute. Now in the plaster folder, you will get the file, the logo one. Okay, this is the logo file. Alternate dash, you can write it, the logo. Write it down. This is the logo. That you will see it. Okay, it is fixed over there. Acha, now move to the next step. Set the weight of this page of this image to 100%. Okay, so right click on it. Cell properties, picture properties, sorry. Click on the picture properties. Okay, this here, ये हो गया. It's this one, alternate text, logo. ठीक है, ये दो, ठीक है. Width, size is 100%. ठीक है, of the cell size. Set the weight of this image is 100% to this one. ठीक है, so it is fixed over there. Acha, now the next page, move to the next step. Acha, now in the place in cell B, the video and the source tag to display the M25 plasters dot this one. You need to add the file over there. Okay, insert this one, the video in the cell B. Acha, you need to that one. What you need to do it, acha, for the video one, there is a source that you need to write it. Okay, how we will write the code? Just go over there, go to the code. Okay, and in the code, you will find it. You will write it here. Where is the B1? Like आपका B का नजर आ रहा है, where you find the B1? The cell B must be blinking. It's over here. Okay, just give a space and write here the video tag. We write the tag here, the video. Okay, and press enter. Acha. Now after this, acha, this tag you need to remember it because in most of the activities you have to insert the video. So this is same for every step. You will learn it and you will enter the step over here. Okay. अच्छा, now अच्छा, उसके बाद क्या करेंगे? Now you have to write on the next step the source of the file. The source of the file in the next one, you have to write it. The what will be the source? You write the source. Okay, and then the source file, like src is the code one. It's a tab. Like here you will write on the location of the file. Okay, where it is located. What is the name over there? So you write it here. Like example, the name of the file is M25 folder. It must make sure it must be in the same folder like we make the folder. and insert it over here. So write it here, here in the bracket, this one. Okay. Then after this, you have to write on the type of the video as well. Like what is the type of the video? So write it type. Okay. And the type is equal to, you write it down, the video, sorry, the video is MP4. Okay. Slash MP4. So you have to write it here and close the tab. Acha now. Then what's the next step? Just move to the paper. Make sure the controls are visible and video loops when played. Like you need to add the video's place as well. So what you need to do it, video plate, what we need to write it, you need that your video will be played in the loop. Okay. So you need to add the loop, control loop over here. In the video tab, you need to add loops control. Okay, you need to add that one, group control. It will just add your file or repeat your files, repeat the video in the loop. Acha now. Okay, now we were on the step that we need to add the video. Then in the video, it will be displayed that if the video is not supported by it, then the error message will be displayed like your video is not supported by the browser. So we have to add this at the end over here. Like after this, we write it like your video is not supported by the browser, not supported, or any message you want to write it according to it, you can write it. Okay. In this case, if the video will not be displayed on the browser, so this message will be displayed. Okay. Now save it. Okay. And then run the video. Just play the web page, refresh the web page and see our video is playing or not. Okay. It's on the control room as well. Look, it's automatically moving. Okay. So how we will do it? We have to add the control loop over here, like in the video. We added this thing, like video control loops. Then the source we will add it over here, the type. Okay. Then after this, the message, the error message will be displayed. Okay. So this is the code for adding the video. Then we need to remember it. Okay. So, okay. Now let's move to the next step. Okay. Now this of 6 marks. Now place in cell C the text from the file M25 text. Apply the paragraph style to this text. Okay. So open the file M25 text. M25 text. This one. No, this is the file. Text file. You copy it. Paste. Okay. Select and paste. Copy. Acha now. Where do you need to paste it? We need to paste it in cell C. So open Microsoft Expression. C. This is C. Okay. Remove it and just paste it here. Here it comes now. So select it and make sure only this cell. Okay. Now make sure it's of the paragraph style. Okay. You will select it from here. Select the paragraph. This P tag is for the paragraph. Okay. So it's P. It's T. P is giving over here. Displaying. So it's P. Acha, H1 is for the heading one. Two, the largest heading. There are three types of headings in the over here in the HTML. Like the H1 is the largest one, the main heading, and the HC is the smallest one. Okay. Order list. Unorder means bullets. Order list means bullet numbering. Okay. Acha, now move to the next step now. In enter in CET, the specialize this was is plastering. Okay. In D1. D is here. Type this. Okay. Now see. Now in the cell E, enter the text other construction in the E1. E1. Select it and paste it now. Now move to the next step. Cell F, contact us. Okay. F in the cell number F. Here, write on the contact us. Now Move to the next step. Then the next step, in cell number G, you have to write on edited by, then your name, sender number, and candidate number. Apply the style H2 to all the text in these cells. Okay. Like D till G, you have to apply the heading to. Okay. Now it was on the cell number G. Okay. Let's see. Just cell number G is. This is G. Okay. Remove it GT and paste it here. Acha, now like all at the bottom one, all these cells headings must be the H2. Only these things. H2 selected from the H2. Okay. Now the last one. Just check the last one as well. Okay. All is done. Acha, make sure the cell is not be overlap. Acha, now look at the next step now. Apply the H2 yoga. Make sure the text specialized splashing is a link to open this file in a new window called blank. Okay, you have to link this file with this. How we will do it? There is a file of M25 specs in the plaster folder. This one. You have to link this. Okay. So how we will link this? Specialized blank selected. Then right click on it and then insert. Then you will enter the link. Hyperlink, you can enter it onto the insert as well. Sorry. Click on the insert and then the hyperlink. Acha, you need to add it from the same document. Like you need to attach with the other document. So you have to click on the existing file or the web page. So it's specific one. This one, select this and okay. So it's done. Okay. Look, see, it is connecting with this. Save it. We will play it in the browser as well and check it. Acha, now, and make sure it is in the blank one. Okay. So just recheck it. Hyperlink properties. Blank one means target frame. Target frame में जाएंगे and it's the blank one, it's the new window. Okay. Look, the blank is coming. Like it will open it in the blank video, a blank browser window. Now the other construction is linked to open with the M25 construction. Okay, link with this file, other construction, insert, hyperlink. Sorry. Okay, and M25 const this one. And how it can be displayed, just see. To open the web page. Acha, it's not given on the same page. So by default, it is coming. Target frame is, okay, the page default. So just select this one and select with it. Not a, now the move to the other thing. Now contact us to an email editor, prepare an email to this one. Okay. When you click on the contact us, so this will coming. Okay. Now select the email ID. Acha. We will do it, correct it over there. Acha. Now contact us. Click on it. Okay. Hyperlink. Acha. You want to select an email. Connect with the email. So you click on the email address. Write on the email address. Acha. T was missing. Write on the T and the remaining that. Okay. Subject line. Copy from there. Subject line is board information, please. Just copy. Okay. And paste in the subject line here. Acha, now. Okay. You will create an external shell. Okay. Now this is done. So click on the OK now. Okay. So this is done. Now the other step is you will create a new external sheet. Now you need to create a style sheet. A style sheet is used to implement the style, like to the apply the style to the web page. So we need to add the things that we required it for our web page and in the style sheet, and we will apply it. Acha, now style sheet, all color codes must be displayed in the hexadecimal. Okay, your style sheet must not contain HTML or this one. Acha, to create a style sheet, you meet the following specification. Place a comment at the start of the style sheet to contain your name, center number, and candidate number. Okay. First of all, you need to create a style sheet. You click on the format. Okay. Now, CSS style. Okay. And then also new style. Create a new style. So click on the new style format and the new style. Okay. Now this is the current style. Just wait a minute. Hmm. Acha, now look at the page again. Place a comment as style sheet to contain your class name and this one. Okay. So here we go. Format style sheet and manage style sheet. New style. Okay. Okay. Now to create a style sheet, we will go to the file. Uh, ठीक है, you go to the file and click on the CSS file. ठीक है, नहीं तो क्यों कैसे create style sheet. So here we open it. Here we enter the comment in which you write down the place at the start of the style sheet to contain your name, center name, and the candidate number. Okay. So for the comment in the HTML, what we need to write here, we need this backspace and the start sign. This one. And you write down your name. Okay. And candidate number. That's it. And then write down the code number. Okay. 802 like this. Okay. Or end it like this, like again static and then backslash. Okay, this is how we write down the comment in the style in the HTML. Acha, now set a style to table so that they are center line in the browser window. Okay, for the table in the like we when we apply this style, so table in the browser so it will fix come in the center. So for this one, what we need to do it insert, sorry, format and new style. Okay, the window will come. We have to set the table to the center line. Okay. So we click on the ठीक है बैठेंगे top margin auto कर देंगे and ये तो margins है like this. Right and left auto. You must be right and left auto. So it's the yes, in the position we will go and we write here right and left auto कर देंगे. Okay, right and left. Remove the margin. ठीक है, remove it. So इसको order करते हैं. ठीक है, अब the right and left is auto. Apply it. Okay. अच्छा, now you can delete it from here if you want to delete this and this one. Acha, the name we didn't add the name here. आप इसमें name लिख देंगे the table one. Okay, you can write it here as well. Acha, now the second style here we need to add like set the table. Acha, set the table and cell borders so they are white, visible, 2 pixel white. Okay, like the cell borders are will be white and visible and 2 width pixel. Okay, for this one we click on the again format and new style. Acha, the name we can give it to the border, table border. Okay. Acha, table border must be, acha, table border so that they are tables and cell borders so that they're white, visible, and 2 pixels. Okay, white pixels and this one. Hmm. Table border width is value, okay, 2 pixel. Okay, and width is 2 pixel, visible, and they are white. Okay, white. The color is the white. Okay, it's already the white. Okay, this one. And visible, yes, it will be the visible. Okay, and apply this and okay. So it will become over here, the colors and this ones. Acha, now save this in external cassetti sheet in your plaster folder with the name M25. This one like this. Okay, save it like this. Like click on file. Okay, save as. Okay, and save it there with the name. This one. Okay. Acha, now the next step. In the next step, take a screenshot of the file name and all the content of your style sheet. Place it in the editing store document. Acha, this is step number 8. So we have to write it here. Now take the snipping shot tool and you can take the data out like this screenshot. Copy it and paste it in the browser in the evidence document. Step number 8. And place it here. Okay. And side by side, you can also save it. Acha, now. Okay, the next step. Attach the style sheet to the web page created in step 2. Okay. So attach the style sheet save in step 8 to this web page so that it has the high priority 10. This one. Acha, now step number 2. Where we have to save it? Step number 2. Yeah. Click on the, okay. Step number 2. What was the step number 2? Create a this one. Okay. Like this one. Code पे जाएंगे. Like table 1. Go up step. Up, go up. Like it is there now. Table is there. So you can apply it here. Format. Uh, Style. Attach style sheet. Acha, the URL attach style sheet. You can attach it. Acha. The style sheet is name is, we give the name M25 plaster. M25 plaster. Acha, it is like that. ठीक है, attach this link, import it. तो यहाँ पे जाएगा attach. Okay. We can also attach it from here. हम यहाँ से भी attach कर सकते हैं like. Okay. No, attach style sheet. Okay. Select it. And this is the file. M25 CSS. Acha, CSS one, that one. That is that file you need to edit. Okay. And okay. ठीक है. So it's applied it over here. Okay. In the first one. Auto style and this one. Okay. Now let's check this. Okay, go to the design view. Okay, now see, it is attached now. The style sheet is there. The center line, the borders are there, white borders are there, and everything is visible. Okay, now this is done now. Acha, now, acha, edited by, this step is left. Edited by, oh, okay, it was not written over. Edited by followed by space and this one. Okay, I think we didn't read write this thing. Edited by, write down the name. Okay, or space. Okay, write down the number here. Acha, now let's check the other step. Okay, we have done all this thing. Okay, now save your web page. This is your web page. Now save it. Click on the web page, save it. Acha, now after saving it, take a copy of your HTML source and place it in the evidence document. Okay, like on step number 10, and just copy and paste it like this. Okay, write on step number 10 here. Step number 10, and copy the uh, HTML code here. Click on the code, copy, and just paste it here in the evidence document. Okay, acha, now next step. Display your web page in a browser if necessary, resize it so that page can be seen, all text can be easily read, the text part is visible. Okay, take a screenshot showing your web page in the browser, bit this in the evidence document. So this is our web page. Okay, now refresh it and see everything is visible. Okay, so we need to take the screenshot of this. Okay, so just minimize it. Okay, now you need to take the printout, screenshot, and save it there. Acha, one more thing, you didn't, and title is coming. It means you didn't save it here. Click it. Okay. Save the file. M25 plaster. Uh, PS underscore this underscore PK02. Any number you can write it. Acha, now look at the browser now. Refresh the page. Acha, it's coming away. Okay. Now screenshot was there. No, it's not coming correctly. Make sure that everything is coming like this. Okay. So we'll open the Word document and paste it here. Or that is the step number. Let's check the step number first. Step number 10. Okay. So write down step number 10 and paste it there. Okay. Now that's all. An activity. Okay. Let's check it again. Okay. All the pages seen and this one. Okay. That's all for an activity. Okay. Now you need to save it. I hope you understand it, how you perform this activity. Take care and Allah Hafiz.